Stop wasting your time watching annoying ads that pop up every time you try to change the channel. We have all been there, trying to catch the big game or a breaking news story, only to be blocked by a 30-second unskippable commercial. It is frustrating, it ruins the experience, and it makes you want to throw your remote at the wall. You deserve a clean, premium viewing experience without the constant interruptions. Today, I am showing you the top 10 IPTV apps with absolutely no ads. Welcome back to TechVibes. Let's get your ad-free setup running right now. All channel links are given in the description below. Please check all links and try the working ones, as some links are updated frequently by the developers. Number 1 is TVMate. This is the gold standard for a reason, because the interface is completely ad-free and looks just like high-end cable. Use this if you want a professional setup that never interrupts your browsing. Number 2 is IPTV Smarters Pro. While there are many versions, the official Pro version is famous for its clean, ad-free layout. It is the best choice for anyone who wants a simple login using extreme codes without pop-ups. Number 3 is OTT Navigator. This app is incredibly powerful and offers a completely distraction-free experience. It is the practical pick if you want to customize your interface without seeing a single banner ad. Number 4 is VLC Media Player. It is completely open source and will never show you an advertisement. This is the most reliable option for anyone who wants a lightweight player that just plays your links instantly. Number 5 is Kodi, gold standard in IPTV management. Since it is maintained by a nonprofit, there are zero built-in ads in the software. It is the best way to manage a massive library of channels and movies in a clean, unified space. Next, number 6 is Televiso. This app has gained huge popularity for its modern design and lack of intrusive commercials. Use this if you want a sleek, dark mode player that prioritizes your content over marketing. Number 7 is Xive TV Player. It features a very simple, tile-based navigation that is completely free of annoying sidebars. It is perfect for families because it is very visual and easy to use without accidental clicks on ads. Number 8 is Perfect Player, minimalist and sleek. This app focuses on a minimalistic approach with no flashy distractions. It is the smart choice if you have an older device and need a player that doesn't waste resources on loading ad scripts. Number 9 is Iplay TV for Apple users. It offers a premium, ad-free experience that matches the high-quality feel of iOS. It is the go-to option if you want your streaming to feel like a native Apple service. Finally, number 10 is IPTvNour. This is an amazing cross-platform player that is entirely free and open source. Use this if you want a clean, professional interface on your PC or laptop without any tracking or ads. Here is a secret bonus tip to ensure you stay ad-free. Many free playlists actually inject their own ads into the stream. To stop this, use a private DNS like dnsadguard.com in your device settings. This acts as a global shield to block ad servers before they even reach your app. Also, always use a solid VPN to keep your streaming private and avoid ISP throttling. You don't have to settle for a cluttered, commercial-filled screen. These 10 apps put the focus back on the content you love. If this list helped you clean up your streaming setup today, hit that like button. Subscribe to TechVibes for more ways to master your tech experience. Comment below and let me know which ad-free app you are switching to. Thanks for watching.